Hey, this is Norb. Here's some additional insight in history into Section 31 in the Star Trek Prime universe. Maybe a slight touch into the Mirror universe. I think you will enjoy this. Now, Section 31 also has some unique aspects. They really did not appear at first until Deep Space Nine, the episode Inquisition, and that would have been back in the time frame of I have to double check this, 2374, 2375. So this is after the first couple of years of Next Generation with Picard and company. And it appeared, the key individual appeared, Luther Sloan, accusing Dr. Bashir of Deep Space Nine of actually collaborating with the enemy of the Dominion at that time, who we were at war with. And basically it goes through all sorts of things trying to break him down. And eventually Sloan, at the end, comes forward and admits he's part of this quiet black ops organization called Section 31 that does the things that nobody else really wants to do. He's wearing black. They have a black Star Trek badge, unlike the gold ones that everyone else uses. And he tried to recruit Bashir. So there's history. After that Sloan was involved in a few more things with Deep Space Nine. And then they wrote a few things into Enterprise that basically occurred back almost 100 years earlier. And in there, they talked about Malcolm Reed being originally involved with Section 31, but he broke away to join Archer to be on Enterprise and do exploration. But that bounced back and forth for a little bit while, back and forth, but he broke away, but they used them occasionally to help extend the plot. And then they came into Discovery, which is that other alternative universe. And that's where Philip Georgiou comes in, and that really was around the 2230 time frame, which is obviously before Deep Space Nine, and also before TNG, because DS9 was basically the 2370s through 2380s. And so there's a lot of interwoven history, a lot of things hidden in there in 2230 for Discovery. And there's a lot of things that get interweaved and are complicated, and gets kind of interesting and very cool what Section 31 is about, what they're trying to do. So keep that in the back of your mind. A lot of this I've derived from the mythology of watching the Star Trek episodes. I've watched basically almost everything. The only thing I'm a little bit weak on is some of the Lower Deck episodes. I kind of didn't see all those. And then comic books, I read a few of those growing up, but I didn't keep completely current. And all the novels out there, I hadn't done that. So I've done some research basically off of Star Trek fandom, Wikipedia, and all that these series of videos are based on. So once again, please like and please subscribe. We'll have more stuff coming like this. Continue, and we'll get into the next segment in a few seconds.